Hello and welcome. This is the third in a series of 3 upgrade videos for my specialized Rockhopper. So anyway, if you have not seen the 2 prior videos, I would encourage you to check them out on the playlist at the end of this video. In the first video, I installed a shorter stem, a better set of pedals, and best of all, a dropper seat post. Oh my gosh, did that make a difference. I highly encourage you, if you're going to make one upgrade to your bike, get a dropper post. It's worth it. In the second video, I installed a Rockshox Judy Silver TK, long name, air fork, and boy did that go in nicely, and that also really improved the ride. Not the least of which is by removing about a half a kilo of weight off the front. It makes it feel a little bit snappier. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed a 9-speed cassette and derailleur and converted to a 1x. What I did was I bought a curated kit from JG Bikes via Amazon, and they picked out components, and that way I was assured that they were going to be compatible, as opposed to me probably getting it right but not being guaranteed that I would. The installation is pretty straightforward. You do need a couple of tools, a cassette removal tool and a chain whip, but otherwise it's a pretty easy proposition. Now there is one part of this that did not go exactly as planned. I had purchased a Holotech style crankset for the 1x conversion. Unfortunately, I could not find my square tapered sealed bracket removal tool. So I instead cleaned up an existing square taper crank that I had that would accept the narrow wide chain ring, and I put that on, because the square taper bottom bracket on the Rockhopper is working fine. I would only have removed it to install the Holotech style. That's a short-term solution. We'll see. If it turns out well, I may leave it in place. As long as it works, why fix it? Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. All of these upgrades that I've performed on this bike are something that anybody with moderate mechanical skills can do. I mean, I didn't go to school for any of this stuff. I learned by watching a lot, and I do mean a lot, of how-to videos on YouTube, principally Park Tool, GMBN Tech, and RJ the Bike Guy. If you want to dip your toes into the upgrade pool, I would suggest starting off easy with something like a stem and handlebar upgrade, but realistically, you can do anything if you set your mind to it. In my next video, I'm going to take the Rockhopper out for a post-upgrades ride and analysis. I'll be providing you with my thoughts and conclusions on the whole process. And in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It does help. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. As I mentioned earlier, there is a playlist for the Rockhopper which includes the recent upgrades videos, and that's below left. And below right is another video which I think you'll enjoy. And in closing, be healthy and be happy. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it when you do. Bye.